Make money online in 2024. Generate passive income monthly. Launch a YouTube channel to entertain and educate. While YouTube recently changed its monetization program, if you're able to hit their new minimum bar of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time in the past 12 months, it's an incredible place to make extra money. YouTube is arguably the world's second largest search engine after Google and is the third most visited site in the world. In 2017, almost 5 billion videos were watched on every YouTube every day. Rather than making money through subscription, YouTube channels are based on a traditional advertising system, meaning the more viewers you get, the more you make. Once you approved for the YouTube Partner Program, you can start including ads on your videos. With every 1,000 views, you make approximately $2 to $4, which might not seem like a lot, but if you have 100 videos with 5,000 views each month, that would be $1,000 already. Just imagine if your videos start hitting millions of views. YouTube is one of the fastest growing platforms you can make money online with in 2024. Growing a YouTube channel is a lot like starting a blog or website, except that you're working in video, not writing. The first step is to choose what kind of videos you're going to create. Most successful YouTube channels fall under two or one categories: educational content. People always want to find the quickest way to learn something new, and YouTube searches, including the phrase "how to," are growing 70% year over year, making YouTube an incredible place to teach what you know. Entertainment, web series, product reviews, comedy sketches and pranks, vlogs, or even video game walkthroughs. There's so many different ways you can entertain people through your YouTube channel. Next, you need to set up and build your YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is your home base for all your content. If you already have a Google account or Gmail or Google Drive, then you can use it to log into your YouTube and start setting up a channel. Pick a username that works for you and is memorable. You also want to make your YouTube channel more easily found by adding relevant keywords under the advanced section and picking your targeted country. Now it's time to start creating and uploading content. Make sure you're using a high enough quality camera. Not smart, most smartphones will work, but I'll suggest at least having a tripod so your footage isn't shaky. But don't worry about being perfect at first. The beauty of YouTube is that you can continue to test out different content styles as you find what works best for you. Instead, stick to your regular schedule to build up your subscriber base. You can optimize your videos to rank higher by experimenting with attention grabbing descriptions and previews as well as relevant tags. You need to stand out and make people want to click on your video. As you start regularly putting out content, you hopefully start to build a bit of an audience. But to start seeing real money from YouTube, you need to market your videos elsewhere. Share your channel on Twitter and Facebook. Distribute videos anywhere else you can think of. Also interact with, comment, build a community around the video you're making so people will share it with their friends. Once you hit the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hour threshold, you can start monetizing your videos by selecting monetize with ads under the monetization tab on your channel. While it can take a while to build up decent following for a YouTube channel, it can be a lot of fun to do this as well as become a steady source of extra income. Record a podcast and share inspiring stories. Podcasts are super hot right now and for a good reason. With how busy our lives are getting, more and more people are looking for passive ways to take in content, which makes them both a creative and a great opportunity to build an online presence and make money online. And while it will take time to build up a big enough audience, attract advertisers, and other ways to make extra income for your podcast, the opportunities here. Starting a podcast all begins with getting podcast hosting and launching your show. John Lee Dumas interviews entrepreneurs 7 days a week for his podcast, Entrepreneur on Fire, and now makes more than $200,000 a month from it. In fact, John publishes all his income online and showed that he made almost 13 million since launching in 2012. The podcast market is constantly looking for new quality content, and luckily for anyone trying to get started, it's now easier than ever. Starting a podcast, like making a YouTube channel or blog, comes down to telling interesting stories and building an engaged online audience. I probably sound like a broken record by how you need a niche that you're interested in and there's already a demand for. You need the right tools in order to make money online with a podcast. It can be as complicated or simple as you want, depending on your comfort with audio equipment. But the minimum you want a microphone and software for reading equipment, recording equipment like these best podcast microphones of various price points will get you started. Blue World's renowned Getty microphone, Behringer's complete podcasting set. Plenty of other brands sell studio quality plug and play podcast setups that can get you recording today. But I personally use the Foresight setup myself. Now it's time to plan out your show. If you're doing an interview style show, you want now to start getting some guests involved. You can use your existing social network to reach out to people you already know who are connected with your Twitter or Facebook. You can also head to Medium or Amazon to find authors or experts on topics specific to your niche. Once you've gathered a list, put together an outreach email template as you'll be doing this over and over. That's short and clear with expectations. Tell your potential interviewer who you are and what your podcast is about and what you're asking of them. Do a few test interviews with friends and family to make sure everything is being recorded at the quality you want, and then book your first episode.